lovely people! Hope you're doing okay. I had an idea just before I fell asleep, and I thought it could be a fun thing to do. You know, sometimes it can happen that you don't really feel like anything is going right in your life, and maybe you struggle a bit to see the beauty that life has to offer. That's why I started an appreciation page in May. Let me show you right here. Can it fit in the screen? Yes, it can. Barely. There we go. And as you can see, I was very enthusiastic for the first half until like 13th of May. But after that, it was almost like I forgot about this idea entirely. And I realized July has 30 days left, because today is the 1st of July. Yay! And I would really like to pick it up again, because I actually remember feeling better for a while I was doing this. There are two parts to this. The first part is going to be this page that's just been, left empty. It's a gap. And every day in this blank space, I will write down a few things that I appreciate about the day. Like training myself to see the good in myself, but also in life, in the world, etc. The second part of that, and it may seem a bit childish, but actually my inner child is very excited about this. I'm going to grab a piece of dark cardstock, and it does look a bit bleak, right? It's just, there's nothing on there. But every time when I find something to appreciate, I'll put a mark on the paper. Just, like a little light shining in the darkness, basically. A little piece of hope shining through. I have paint markers inside here. And I also have some jelly rolls over here. So I will be using this on the cardstock to make some marks, some symbols. If you don't have black paper or cardstock, you can even, just use any color of paper, or even, an envelope. Doesn't matter. Every day I will just take a minute to write down things I appreciate. And each one will be presented by a mark on the paper. It can be dots, stars, hearts, coffee cup. Doesn't really matter, as long as just a symbol of the thing that you appreciate. You can even color code it if you want to. You don't have to, but you can. But at the end of the month, you will actually have a physical representation of hope. And maybe you'll also be a bit more aware of all the good things that life has in store for you. What do you think about this? I remember when I woke up after my rest, I thought maybe it's a bit too childish, but I can't help but wonder if we sometimes do need a little bit of play in our lives. Who knows? So for me, I'm going to grab, I am going to title the page though. I hope my white is working. Should be, is a new one. It's just, a simple jelly roll. I'm going to call this Symbols of Appreciation. So I'm not sure. Oh, it writes, yay. Symbols of Appreciation. Alrighty. And where's my pen? Here's my pen. For the 1st of July, it's a Monday. The 1st, I will put this in English because we're doing the stuff in English. First of all, it's the 1st of July. It's One Book July. It has started. Yay! And I also appreciate some of the comments I've been getting on my video. So thank you for that. Comments. YouTube. Bo has not destroyed anything of cables on my desk, which is a very big win. So Bo is my cat, by the way. Bo is being very sweet. Bo is sweet. I also have very much enjoyed my first cup of tea today. Tea. Is there anything else I would like to add? Well, we've already got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! Alrighty. So I will grab some things at random. I'm hoping this one still works. I've got no clue. These pins are actually quite old. I think I bought them in 2015, if I'm not mistaken. Let's grab the gold. Let's grab... Come on. You can do it. There we go. I got 4 things. I'm hoping this is still working. Let's test this right here. Yep, still working. I just hope it also works on black. We'll see. Let's do a book. Oh, that's not gonna work, is it? I can see it a bit. Oh, there, in the shine you can see it. Might have to add a bit of white to it. So it is actually visible. There we go. There we go. Tiny book for One Book July. Yay! Then this is like a... I'm hoping it still works. You never know with postcards. Yep, still works. I'm gonna put a little heart. Can I do that? Does it actually look like a heart? Not really. Oh, there we go. Looks like a heart. Bo is sweet. Bo. The swish of a tail. Weep. Oh, that's not gonna go well. Let's add... Yeah, it's hard to see. Let's add a... There we go. Now it looks light purplish. Swish of a tail. And last but not least, hopefully this one also still works. Got a nice cup of tea. Oh, yeah. Is that even visible? Yeah, there we go. 4 symbols for today. Yay! I thought this would be like, you know, a little fun thing to do. You know, if you have stickers or whatever, you can also use that. But by the end of this month, this will be full of a representation of all the things that you're, you know, that you appreciate. So I thought it, you know, just could be fun. And at the end, I think I'm going to use it as a sort of bookmark, because that way I can, you know, keep looking at it and see all the things that I appreciate. I just, you know, thought this would be a fun idea. What do you think about it? Are you going to do something like that, or are you going to do something else? Yeah, just, you know, something a little playful, but also focusing on good things. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.